cry.
It's Shippy!
She's making me cry.
You good? I hope so.
You alright?
What was it?
What was that? One Direction concert tickets. Oh, snap.
You got 3 of them.
Praise. You got
You
3.
did it a lot worse.
And a round trip limo from home to the concert.
Are you serious?
And a fast pass to get in so we don't have to wait in line.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
snap.